Bonjour à vous, hello everyone. Seventh grade student, as you know, we are doing the reading of chapter number 3. So we have done this page number 41 and 42 reading also. So today we will do the exercises. This is your exercise number first on your page number 42. The vrai or faux, tell true and false. Then here you have to tell true and false. First line is les troncs français et long. Long means small. I have written the meaning in English also in the bracket, so then please learn it carefully. So faux, no, the trains are not slow, they are very fast in fact. Now B is Mr. Lenoir va à Angers avec la family. He is going to the Angers with his family. No, he is going alone, so it is faux. La tron par the cans are cans oui, that is right. Cans are cans vrai. Monsieur Lenoir achète the beer aller et retourner. Did he purchase the ticket for go and for come? So here check in the chapter aller, only for aller, only to going, aller s'empêche. The agent asked ki that go for go or for come, then he replied not, only aller, only for go. So here the answer will be incorrect now. So this is your first exercise. Now exercise number second. Exercise number second is répondez aux questions. Give the response the questions. Here are some questions. So I have written the meaning of question also and answers also for you. First question is pourquoi Monsieur Lenoir décide-t-il d'aller en train? Why Mr. Lenoir decide to go in train? Parce qu'il aime prendre TGV, because he likes to take the trains or go to trains because it is very fast, you know. Comment Paris est relié à toutes les villes françaises? How Paris connect all the cities of France? À Paris, les grandes lignes partent à partir en 6 principal gares. In Paris, the main lines leave from 6 main stations. That's why it's connected to all the France. Now question number C. Donner les expansion means give the full form of SNCF TGV. So TGV is train à grande vitesse and SNF is Société Nationale des Chemins de Fer Français. D part que Monsieur Lenoir fait-il avec de montrer dans son train? What does Mr. Lenoir do before getting on his train? Mr. Lenoir composes his note. Note is your ticket. Okay, he shows the ticket. So third exercise, écrivez le contraire. Contraire means opposite. So petit is grand, long is small, v is fast, après you know very well, you always speak bon après midi. Après means after and avant means before. Descendre means go down, ascendre means go up. So this is your exercise number 4. Now in the exercise number 3. Now in the exercise number 4 you have to put in the order. So but student, this exercise already in these lines are already in the order, so there is nothing to do in this exercise. They are already ashete means buy the tickets, show in the train, go to the counter of the station, compose the tickets. They are already in order. I don't know why, I think there is a mistake in the book. They said that put into the order, but these are already in order, so do nothing, write the same lines or you can skip also. So we have done our exercise number 1 2 3 4. That was based on the chapter that we have done in the previous videos. So please do this chapter in your book with pencil only. Okay student, orva, and please mention in the comment if you have any doubt. If it is clear to you, please mention in the comment section. Okay student, orva, bye bye, abhiyan, to see you soon.